Birthday present from sister. Got delivered late, but it wasn't her fault. It was sent by USPS, and they couldn't seem to find my mailbox because it took them 3 different delivery days to deliver it. Not like they don't deliver here every day. I don't know what the holdup was. Let's see. Keep moving forward. And then, let's see, it says keep moving forward. Crawling is acceptable. Alright, so I kind of already knew she was going to get this, or at least I thought she was. I got to give you a backstory. I've been posting my polar stats. I've been posting my polar stats to Facebook every time I do a run. I've been trying to run. I haven't missed one yet. But you know, fitness is kind of important. Not only that, exercising releases all kinds of chemicals in the body that help not only keep you healthy, but they give you a feel-good feeling. But they're also great for helping fight off things in the body that you don't want your body to have, like maybe cancer. And it also causes like neurons to be regenerated and neuron connections to be made, and all these things overall help your body. So I try to continue to exercise even though I got stage 4 lung cancer and brain tumor and lymph node cancer. And anyways, so I posted this picture and it said, you know, I feel like my time is slowing down, meaning I'm not running the same distance that I used to in the time that I run. So it's dropped down by maybe a half or 3/4 of a mile that I've lost. And I kind of contemplated that eventually, you know, I'll be maybe having to slow down even more. But I'm never going to stop. If I can't run, I'll walk. If I can't walk, I'll crawl. And if I can't crawl, I'll hire people to pick me up off of the treadmill platform and drop me from about 3 feet with the treadmill on high speed. And then I said, maybe we'll set up some bowling pins or something, turn it into a game. So the back of this says, crawling is acceptable, falling is acceptable, puking is acceptable, crying is acceptable, pain is acceptable, quitting is not. I've been saying for years, quitters never win. Never once in the history have quitters have they ever won anything. Quitting is not an option. Failure is not an option. Giving up is never an option in my life. Everything I do, that's the way I am. Thanks, sis. Love you.